And please just stop talking, 'cause they won't find us if you do. Oh.
Okay, for this problem we're asked to compute the derivative of f of theta. So in this case our variable is theta instead of x. So f of theta is equal to e to the theta times 5 sine theta minus 4 tangent theta. Okay, so here again we see a product rule going on, right? That's what we're going to need because we have a u here and another function there, two being multiplied times each other. So let's write that out. We're going to have f prime of theta is going to equal the first, so we just copy down the first function, and then derivative, so d theta, in this case, the first derivative with respect to theta of the second, so 5 sine theta minus 4 tangent theta, okay, plus derivative of the first, so d theta of e to the theta, times the second just written out, copied down. So 5 sine theta minus 4 tangent theta. Okay, alright, so now let's just simplify here and calculate the derivatives. So we have e to the theta, and then for the derivative with respect to theta, we just have a 5. So 5, and derivative of sine is a cosine, so we have 5 cosine theta, and minus, we have this minus 4, and the derivative of tangent theta is a secant squared theta. Okay, and then for the second term, we just have that derivative of e to the theta is just going to be an e to the theta, and then we have that multiplied times 5 sine theta minus a 4 tangent theta. Okay, so now for this final step, we'll just combine everything. We'll distribute the e thetas in, e to the thetas in. So we just get, or we can actually just factor it out. So I'll pull this e theta out and this e theta out. So e to the theta, and we're going to combine this part and this part, okay? So we're just going to get 5 times 5 cosine theta minus 4 secant squared theta plus a 5 sine theta, and then minus a 4 tangent theta. Okay, so that last line here, that's going to be our final answer for f prime of theta.
Thrown in the riot van, all the coppers kicked in.